8 warning signs of a failing throttle body. Diagnose and fix it before it's too late. The throttle body is a vital component in your car's engine that controls airflow into the combustion chamber, directly affecting the engine's performance. When it's not working correctly, your vehicle may show various symptoms, from poor acceleration to rough idling. In this guide, we'll dive into the most common signs of a bad or failing throttle body, how to diagnose the issues, and how to fix them. Before we begin, click the subscribe button and enable notifications to ensure you don't miss any of our comprehensive car repair guides. If you're ready to get your car running smoothly again, keep watching as we break down the 8 signs of a bad or failing throttle body. 8 signs of a bad or failing throttle body. 1. Check engine light comes on. The check engine light is often the first clue of a throttle body issue. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor the throttle body, and when they detect a problem, they trigger the check engine light. Codes like P2119, P0120, or P0121 can indicate throttle body malfunctions. How to fix? Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. If the problem is related to the throttle body, start by cleaning it, as carbon buildup is often the culprit. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing the throttle body or throttle position sensor, TPS. 2. Rough or unstable idling. Rough or unstable idling is another clear sign that something's wrong with the throttle body. The throttle body regulates air into the engine. When it fails, the air-fuel mixture becomes unbalanced, causing your car to idle erratically or stall. How to diagnose? Pay attention to the car's idle speed. If the engine shakes or struggles to maintain a steady idle, inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or damage. How to fix? First, clean the throttle body. If the problem persists, you may need a professional inspection or replacement. 3. Poor acceleration. A bad throttle body can cause poor or sluggish acceleration. When the throttle body fails to open or close correctly, the engine won't get enough air, which limits the vehicle's power. You might notice the car struggling to accelerate, especially under a heavy load. How to diagnose? If your car takes longer to accelerate or feels unresponsive, conduct a throttle position sensor test or check for error codes. How to fix? Recalibrating the throttle body may solve the problem. If it's a sensor issue, replacing the throttle position sensor, TPS, or the entire throttle body might be necessary. 4. Engine misfires. A malfunctioning throttle body can mess with the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion or engine misfires. Misfires often feel like small bumps or hesitations when accelerating. How to diagnose? If the engine misfires or you feel a bump while accelerating, check for throttle body errors. A dirty or faulty throttle body could be the cause. How to fix? Clean the throttle body and recalibrate it if needed. Persistent issues may require throttle body replacement. 5. High or stalling idle. The throttle body controls the engine's idle speed. A bad throttle body can either cause the RPM to spike, leading to high idling, or drop too low, resulting in stalling. This is often caused by dirt and soot buildup on the throttle body valve. How to fix? Clean the throttle body and recalibrate it using a diagnostic tool. If the issue persists, further inspection or replacement may be necessary. 6. Jerking or hesitation while accelerating. If your car jerks or hesitates when you press the gas pedal, it's a sign that the throttle body isn't regulating air intake correctly. This can make acceleration feel rough or delayed. How to diagnose? Notice if the car hesitates or jerks when accelerating. Check the throttle body and its related wiring for signs of damage or wear. How to fix? Start with cleaning the throttle body and inspecting wiring. If the jerking persists, you might need to replace the throttle position sensor or the entire unit. 7. Decreased fuel efficiency. A malfunctioning throttle body can cause your engine to consume more fuel, as it tries to compensate for an improper air-fuel ratio. You may notice you're refueling more often. If your vehicle's fuel efficiency drops suddenly, inspect the throttle body for dirt or mechanical issues. How to fix? Cleaning or replacing a faulty throttle body can restore fuel efficiency. Additionally, check the air filter and fuel injectors for blockages. 8. Black smoke from the exhaust. If the air-fuel mixture is too rich, it can result in black smoke coming from your exhaust. This indicates that the throttle body is allowing too much fuel into the engine, leading to incomplete combustion. How to diagnose? Look for black smoke during acceleration or idling. This could be accompanied by poor performance. How to fix? Clean the throttle body and check for vacuum leaks. In extreme cases, the throttle body might need to be replaced. Diagnosing throttle body problems. 1. Visual inspection. Check for dirt, carbon buildup, and wear around the throttle body. 2. OBD2 scan. Retrieve error codes related to throttle body issues using a scanner. 3. Throttle position sensor, TPS, test. Test the TPS to ensure it's sending accurate signals to the engine's computer. 4. Listen for unusual noises. Pay attention to whistling or sucking sounds from the throttle body area. 5. Fuel consumption monitoring. If your fuel efficiency changes, it could be due to throttle body issues. How to fix throttle body issues? Cleaning. Dirt and carbon buildup can often be resolved with a thorough cleaning. Use throttle body cleaner to remove deposits and improve air-fuel regulation. Recalibration. Sometimes, recalibrating the throttle body using a diagnostic tool can restore its proper function. Replacement. If cleaning and recalibration don't resolve the issue, replacing the throttle body or sensors might be the only option. Throttle body location. The throttle body is typically located between the air filter and the intake manifold. It is often found where the large air intake hose from the turbocharger or air filter connects to the intake manifold. Throttle bodies are generally made of aluminum, and their exact location can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle. In most vehicles, there is only one throttle body, but some high-performance or larger vehicles may have multiple throttle bodies. If you're looking to inspect or replace the throttle body, you should start by following the air intake line from the air filter to the engine. The throttle body will be positioned along this path, often near the intake manifold. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. Can I drive with a bad throttle body? Yes, but in most cases, a failing throttle body will limit your car's performance, but you might still be able to drive. However, if the throttle body is severely damaged, your car may experience stalling, rough idling, or difficulty accelerating, which could make it unsafe to drive. 2. How much does it cost to replace a throttle body? The average throttle body replacement cost ranges from $250 to $650, depending on the vehicle make, model, and labor costs. The part itself typically costs between $200 to $500, with labor adding an additional $50 to $150. 3. Does cleaning the throttle body make a difference? Yes, cleaning the throttle body can significantly improve your car's performance by removing carbon buildup and restoring proper airflow. If you're experiencing poor idling, sluggish acceleration, or rough engine performance, cleaning the throttle body is a good first step. 4. How do I clean the throttle body? To clean the throttle body, first disconnect the air intake hose. Use a throttle body cleaner and a soft brush to gently scrub away carbon deposits and dirt from the throttle plate and inner walls. After cleaning, recalibrate the throttle body using a diagnostic scanner. 5. Can I replace the throttle body myself? Replacing the throttle body is a relatively straightforward job that many DIYers can perform with basic tools. However, some vehicles may require a diagnostic scanner to recalibrate the throttle body after installation. Be sure to consult your vehicle's manual or a professional mechanic. 6. How do you reset a throttle body? The process for resetting a throttle body varies by vehicle. Some cars reset automatically when the battery is disconnected for a few minutes, while others may require a diagnostic scanner to recalibrate the throttle body settings. By keeping an eye out for these warning signs, you can catch throttle body problems early and avoid costly repairs down the road. Regular maintenance and cleaning can extend the life of your throttle body, helping your car run smoothly. Need more car repair tips? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Exoni Views, and stay on top of your car's performance with expert advice and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.